bought one of these so that you don't have to. Let's get into it. This is a Ninja Creami. Okay, so this is a Ninja Creami. It makes ice cream, sorbets, milkshakes, and more, apparently. I bought one of these because I watch TikTok a lot. I like TikTok, and everybody on TikTok, my entire TikTok has been this thing. And I was like, does it only do one thing? Can you only do one thing with it? I saw somebody make hummus with it the other day, but I think it's mostly for ice cream and gelato and sorbets and that sort of thing. Smoothie bowls. So I bought one so that I could tell you officially whether I think you need to get it or not. And I'm leaning towards probably not, because I don't like appliances that only do one thing. So, but if you eat a lot of ice cream, and my husband does eat a lot of ice cream, if you like smoothie bowls, milkshakes and that kind of thing, and maybe you want to try to make them at home and make them healthier, this might be a good option for you. I paid $175. I got it on sale at Target. I think normally these are like $225, which is kind of a lot for an appliance that I don't think I'm going to use very much. But like I said, my husband might use it a lot. So let's get it out. So it comes with 2 of these pint containers, and they have a resealable lid, which is nice. I have lots of Tupperware, but none that specifically fits this. It looks like a giant coffee maker. And it has different settings, so you can do light ice cream, which I guess means like light in fat ice cream, regular ice cream sorbet, smoothie bowl, milkshake, gelato, and then you can just do a mix-in, which means like you make a vanilla ice cream, you want to add some Oreos to it. So you sprinkle in some Oreos and then you remix it in the creamy, and it just does like a light mix so that you can add like toppings and things. The power button, and then a respin button. So this is what I've seen on the internet. People are making all kinds of things in these Ninja Creamis. The bummer part is that it's not like you put things into a container, you stick it in here, it makes ice cream. You have to put things in the container, stick the container in the fridge for 24 hours, at least 12, for them to get frozen. Then you put it in here, and then you make ice cream with it. It spins it up. So, like, yes, it's cool, but so far to me, if it were gonna be worth $225, I would wanna be able to put ingredients in here, stick it in there, push a button, and maybe in 10 minutes I have ice cream. That makes it more worth the price tag to me. And I could get an ice cream maker if I wanted to do that, but I think even with a regular ice cream maker, it would probably still take some time. So, you know, it's up to you. So then it has some tips on here. It says that you want to freeze your base for at least 24 hours. What has a temperature setting that your freezer should be at for the best results. Make the most of your time by prepping several creamy pints at once. And then you can creamify on demand whenever your craving strikes. And you can do a milkshake today, no freezing required, and see the recipe inspiration guide. So maybe if you like milkshakes, which I do really love milkshakes, like if I'm gonna eat an ice cream, it's probably gonna be a milkshake. So maybe this is worth the price for me, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll make a milkshake today. So what I'm thinking is, one, I don't eat very much ice cream because I'm not a sweets person. My husband does, and my husband happens to be diabetic. And one of the cool things about this is that you can make lower sugar or possibly zero sugar ice cream. And you can also make protein ice cream. And it would be good for him because he likes to work out, and he's really into like protein shakes and that kind of thing. So lower sugar ice cream is a big advantage for us. The other cool thing is that dairy does not sit well on my stomach. I'm not lactose intolerant, but it just doesn't make me feel great. So I can make dairy-free ice cream with this. But again, I don't eat very much ice cream, so we'll see. So what I'm gonna do today, I think I'm gonna make, I'm gonna fill up both of these pint glasses. And I think I'm gonna do just a plain old vanilla ice cream, like classic vanilla ice cream, in one container. And I think I'm gonna do a milkshake in the other. And I really love an Oreo milkshake. An Oreo flurry from Dario. If you're from the North Carolina area, you know about Dario, I'm sure. Dario has the best ice cream. So if this machine can make me an Oreo flurry, like from Dario, then it might be worth the money. We'll see. Okay, let's get to it. So here's what I think about this. I think this is fun. I think that if you eat ice cream every day, and maybe you're somebody who has some dietary concerns or that kind of thing, like maybe you can't eat milk, you're lactose intolerant, maybe you're diabetic like my husband and you have to have lower sugar ice cream or that kind of thing. This might be good, especially if like you eat ice cream very regularly. Then this might be a good purchase because then you can kind of have ice cream on demand. You can use up like fruits and things that you have in your fridge because you can make sorbets and smoothie bowls and that sort of thing. However, this machine is sort of a one-trick pony. It's only gonna make ice cream. I did see somebody make hummus with it, but honestly, if you have a blender, you can do the same thing. You can get a container like this from the grocery store, you know, like a plastic container, even nice ones like Ziploc brand, like the really nice ones, they have like the screw lids, for like $5. You can fill it up with frozen stuff and then you can take that and put it in your blender and do the same thing. There's nothing like revolutionary about this machine. You can make hummus in a blender, and honestly you can do more things with a blender than you can with this because of the size restraint of this container. So it's fun, and I'm sure that now that I've bought it, my husband will have a great time making ice cream for himself. But like I said, if you have a blender, I don't think you need this, and I don't think that it's worth $225. You know, I got my Vitamix on sale, and I think I spent about that much money on my Vitamix, and Vitamix is like top of the line blender. So it's fun, but this is a gimmick and you don't need it. So you can save your money. However, if you've got $225 to burn and you want to buy this, absolutely do it. It'll be great fun for the summertime. Maybe if you have kids, and the kids like have a serious sweet tooth, then you know the kids could theoretically use this on their own. If they were really small, I don't know if I'd let them, but you know, it's fun, but this is a gimmick. So anyways, let me know if you have one, and if you want to see more recipes with this. If you do have one, we can definitely come up with some cool recipes since we've got one now. But that's it.